स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ से क्लासेस में। हम लोग आज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं मद्रास स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर। तो ये है 2025 का सैम्पल क्वेश्चन पेपर। तो हम लोग आज सॉल्व कर रहे हैं डिवैल्यूएशन का क्वेश्चन, करेंसी का क्वेश्चन। सो व्हेन अ कंट्री डिवैल्यूएट्स इट्स करेंसी एंड इट लोअर्स द वैल्यू ऑफ इट्स करेंसी रिलेटेड टू द फॉरेन करेंसी, एंड हियर इन दिस केस द रूपी मूव्स फ्रॉम ₹20 for $1 to ₹30 for ₹1. Then what will be the effects? And devaluation helps to a country to do what? So what are the effect of a currency devaluation? First, the exports becomes cheaper. Obviously for the foreign buyers, because they can now buy the same good for fewer units of their currency. So the price of the Indian goods in the dollar has decreased. Second, the imports becomes expensive. So the imports becomes expensive. So here for domestic currency consumers, because they need more of their currency to buy the same amount of foreign goods. So devaluation and aggregate demand. Then by making this exports cheaper and imports more expensive, devaluation will stimulate the demand for domestic goods. So that increases. And this is an expansionary effect, we can say. Expansionary effect. So on the economy, as it encourages more domestic production and increases aggregate demand. So finally, the answer that devaluation boosts exports and reduces imports, which increases overall demand in the economy, and hence it stimulates aggregate demand in the short run. So the correct option is option D. Best of luck, students.